So now that you've got your writing formula here, how do we know if what we've written is actually good? This is where the SEO Writing Assistant comes in handy. Navigate to the SEO Writing Assistant on the left side. Click Analyze My Text. And here on this page, we can either import our article or blog, whatever text, from an existing web page, or we can type or paste that text directly in here. So I've actually written up an article based on the headlines and the questions we were just looking at, as well as the keywords we're trying to target. I'll paste it in here. Now, remember I showed you earlier how to export a spreadsheet with the keywords from your keyword strategy builder? Well, here is where you could paste those in. So I'm going to paste in the keywords from that first big cluster we created. Then on the right side, we'll scroll down and click Get Recommendations. This tool now will compare our article against the keywords we're trying to target and give us recommendations for how to improve it. When it's all done here, it'll give you an overall score. It says this is good. It's 6.6 out of 10. So there's definitely room for improvement. And it shows you this chart here, which basically shows you how close you are to good on any of these axes. So the tone of voice is pretty good. The readability is pretty good, but our SEO has room for improvement here. You can see based on the red. Same thing with our originality. If you scroll down on this right side panel, you can see it'll give you recommendations for things to improve. It says your title is longer than 60 characters. It could be truncated when displayed in search results. So we might actually want to shorten this headline to improve the readability. So let's remove some filler words here. We'll remove actually and taste. And just like that, we've eliminated one issue. We're down from 51 issues to 50. You can click on the issues on the left side here, and in the floating bar, it'll show you what the issue is and what it proposes for the fix. Here it says, this is a hard to read sentence, consider rewriting it. Okay, let's click Simplify. Then you can either accept or reject the change or try it again. I'm pretty happy with this though, so we'll accept. Let's take a look at this next one. Readability, again, hard to read sentence, consider rewriting it. Simplify. And I like that. Work your way through your article until you've reduced the issues as much as you can. Now, you see here, sometimes new issues emerge after you fix other ones, so this can take a little bit of refining, and it's never going to be perfect. But really, at the end of the day, the idea here is that you improve this score. And just there, we improved this by 0.3. The closer you can get to 10, the better, but don't worry if it's not a perfect 10 out of 10. Just get it as close as you can.